My name is Courtney. I'm one of the Adult and Teen Services Assistants at Linda Sokol Francis Brookfield Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how we make the Boho paper flag banner using one of our Take and Make kits. When you're done, it's going to look something like this. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to need to pick up a Take and Make kit. Looks like this. You can get that from the reference desk on the second floor of the library. Just ask the librarian for a Take and Make kit. Inside, you will find 5 paper triangles, which were cut with our Cricut, and 5 patterned paper triangles, which were also cut with our Cricut, as well as 1 decorative string. In addition to these materials, you will need the following items. To begin, some glue, stick glue works or liquid glue, and some tape, preferably clear tape or washi tape. The first step is to assemble your paper flags. So take 1 simple paper triangle and 1 pattern paper triangle and separate them from the rest. Now take your glue stick and spread glue onto the simple paper triangle like so. I prefer using a glue stick because it makes this step a little less messy. Once you've spread the glue evenly, take your pattern paper triangle and press it on top. Make sure all of the edges are aligned neatly so they're not overlapping. You want to be able to see through the 2 squares at the top left and right corners of the paper flag. Once everything looks good, you're going to press down. If you get a little bit of glue on your hand, no worries, you can wash it right off. Okay, I think this looks good, and that is my first paper flag. Set this aside to dry, and in the meantime, assemble your other 4 flags. Now for step 2, threading your flags. Line up your 5 assembled flags like this, and take your decorative string. You're going to thread that string through each of the flags. Before doing this, make sure everything is neat and glued correctly. If there are any curling edges, you can apply more glue. If everything looks good, begin threading your string through the corners of each flag. As you can see here, I am threading my string through the squares at the top of the triangle, through the front of the left-hand square, and then through the back of the right-hand square. And then I pull my string through. This is important for the next step. You want the majority of your string to be on the back of the flag. So repeat that for each of your paper flags. And once you have everything assembled, we can move on to step 3. Once you've threaded all of your flags, you're going to turn your banner over pattern side down on a flat surface. Adjust your flags along the string until you're happy with how they lay. You can space your flags further apart or keep them close together like this. Just make sure you leave enough extra thread on either end to hang up. Once each flag is in the correct position, you're going to apply tape. Take 1 piece of tape and use it to secure each flag to the string. This is to make sure that the flags stay in place when you hang them up and don't slide along the string. Once you've taped them down, turn your banner over and make sure that everything looks good and centered. And that's it. You've made a boho paper flag banner. You can hang this by tying it like I have, taping it, gluing it, using magnets, however you want.